Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how we can use Snapchat lens and search from the trending lenses all over the world and which are currently trending, and how to use them and how to make a short video of this Snapchat lens, and we can post it to our story or we can post it to a one of our Snapchat friend. I'll show you. To do that, first of all, open Snapchat. Yes, when you open the home screen, this is the home screen of the Snapchat, and these are the different types of lens. And so, when you just transit to one of this lens, you'll get this browse option. Just scroll from bottom to top to get this trending lenses. Click on this trending option, and these are the trending items as of now. So these will get changed day by day according to the trending, and you can pick one among this. For example, if you pick this, your face will be covered with that Spider-Man mask. You need to try and check it. And I'll take one of this on the trending. For example, if I take this Pikachu 3D, when I tap on that, yes, so a 3D image will appear. So you can press and hold record video, or if you don't want that, select discard. uh, so you can just tap the picture. You can record a video, or you can tap on the picture, and you can add a music here, add sound here. These are the trending songs which are currently running. Click on next. You can click on next. You can post it to my story, or you can just select a one of your friend, or you can just send them your story. So this is how you can create a Snapchat story using trending lenses available on Snapchat. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.